Today, I am reviewing the PETKIT PuraMax 2 Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been a multi-cat owner for over a decade, and if there is one thing I have consistently dreaded, it is managing the litter box situation. When you have multiple cats, scooping becomes a part-time job, and the constant battle against odor can feel truly never-ending. I've tried several automatic litter boxes in the past, but they always seem to have some sort of fatal flaw, whether it was getting jammed, leaking, or being a nightmare to actually clean out. That completely changed when I finally decided to invest in the PETKIT PuraMax 2 Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box Basic Bundle. After putting this machine through its paces with my cats, I can confidently say that it has completely transformed my daily pet care routine and given me back so much time. Right out of the box, the setup was incredibly straightforward, though you do have to look inside the waste bin to find all the bundled accessories like the trash bags, the N52.0 odor remover, and the magnetic litter remover. Once I placed it on a flat, hard floor, which is crucial because carpets will interfere with the weight sensors, I downloaded the PETKIT Smart app and connected it to my 2.4G Wi-Fi network. The app integration is where this machine truly shines. It is not just a remote control, it acts like a health monitor for your pets. Because it has highly accurate weight sensors, it automatically identifies each of my cats when they step inside. The app logs exactly which cat used the box, what time they went, and how long they stayed inside. For any cat owner, knowing these toilet habits is incredibly important because sudden changes in frequency can point to health issues. Having all that data automatically tracked and beautifully visualized on my smartphone gives me immense peace of mind. One of my biggest concerns with automatic litter boxes has always been safety, but the PuraMax 2 completely eliminated that anxiety. It is equipped with 7 infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors that constantly monitor the area. Every single time one of my cats even gets close to the machine while it is performing a cleaning cycle, the unit instantly pauses. It waits until the cat moves safely away before resuming. Plus, the physical structure is designed with an anti-pinch opening that stays completely open, ensuring a cat can never get trapped inside. The physical design of the cylinder itself is another massive upgrade from older models. PETKIT uses what they call a seamless ShieldBase, which provides a full 360-degree seal. If you have a cat that likes to pee high or right against the edges, you know how easily urine can seep into the cracks of traditional litter boxes and cause horrible, permanent smells. With this upgraded cylinder, everything is completely contained. The Max litter pad inside has elastic edges that fit tightly, making it entirely waterproof, non-stick, and scratch-resistant. Even when my cats kick up litter or spray near the edges, there are absolutely zero leaks, and the litter does not stick to the bottom, which makes the automatic rotation incredibly efficient. Speaking of efficiency, the cleaning modes are highly customizable. You can set it to auto mode so it cleans a few minutes after a cat exits, schedule it on a timer, or manually trigger a clean via the app. The machine sifts the waste flawlessly, separating the clumps and dropping them directly into the large 7-liter waste bin. For my household, this waste bin easily holds up to 2 weeks' worth of waste before I even have to think about changing the bag. When the bin is closed, it seals tightly, and combined with the N52.0 odor remover, it eliminates smells entirely. I no longer walk into my home and catch that distinct, unpleasant litter box odor. It genuinely keeps the room smelling fresh. The interior volume is massive at 76 liters, which easily accommodates my largest cat who weighs nearly 20 pounds, yet the entrance is designed with a low, 8-inch step. This low entry is a lifesaver for older cats or shorter-legged breeds who struggle to leap into top entry or high-clearance boxes. It works beautifully with standard clumping litters, so I did not have to switch to an expensive proprietary brand. If you are looking to reclaim your time, eliminate household odors, and keep a closer eye on your cat's health, the PETKIT PuraMax 2 is worth every single penny. It turns the worst chore of pet ownership into a completely hands-free, seamless experience.